user asking about the ability to add a custom element into their layout for their post feed using the Ditty Post plugin based on a specific term applied or attached to their posts. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. Let's select the WP Post feed. First thing I'm going to do is just modify how the content is showing up. Instead of the full content, I'm going to select excerpt. And then here we have our list of sample posts. Next up, we're going to go into the layout, make this a little bit bigger, and I'm going to add this terms dynamic tag in here. A couple things you need for this: you need to set the specific taxonomy you want to show. So we are using post tags. In order to find that, we're going to use also the taxonomy slug, which can be found up here in the URL, taxonomy equals, and then copy and paste that. And I'll just show you how this shows up. So by default, it'll list out the terms that will also link to the archive page for those terms. So the next step is, if we don't want to list all of the terms, we can limit it. I will use the builder again here by using this includes field, which you can, says only show the terms if they are included, if they include slugs contained in this field. So the user only wanted to utilize their service update term, so I'll add that there. And you'll see that that is the only term that shows now. One more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a class name here to be able to target with CSS. There are default classes that get added, but I just wanted to add a custom one here to make it easier for myself. So if you wanted to add some sort of custom content in here besides what shows up by default, you can add a closing tag for your dynamic tag, and this can be done for any of these dynamic tags as well. And you can add custom content in there to actually still then render the default rendering. You would do a %S, so then you could add something like that. But if you just want to do something completely custom, do something like this and add just your own custom HTML in there, and this will only display on posts that are tagged with service update. So that is pretty cool. I'm going to add a little custom CSS here just to make it stand out a little bit. I forgot what class I added, service update. Let's do color white, kind of background red. Let's just do something like that. Alright, so now we have all of our posts tagged with service update, showing this featured tag, and that is how you would do it.